Hello and welcome to my Sky Vision FX channel, where we do trade analysis for the forex markets. So I'm doing another series now. I'm doing a 41-day follow the process tests. I want to see how much percentage gain we can get at the end of 41 days. So you're going to be seeing all the profits, all the losses, everything. So do remember to like and subscribe, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please do put a comment below and let us know what you like to see. All right, so let's go. So with this, let me bring this up. Okay, so I'm trading two pairs mainly, the pound Aussie and gold. So pound Aussie and gold. Now, and all I'm looking for, so I'm trading the 5 minutes time frame, and all I'm looking for, this is a downtrend, as you can see. So in a downtrend, all I'm looking for is for price to pull back to a certain level. I'll put my stop loss there, put my entry there, and look for this target first, and if it goes further, that will be good. Then if it pulls back, so if that trade is done, if I'm still able to take another trade, I'll look for entries around those levels and look for the target there. That's all I'm doing. And I've put this zigzag indicator there just to look at it as well. But in addition to that, the major thing I'm looking for is valid ranges on the 5 minutes. So I'm looking for valid ranges on the 5 minutes. Okay, so let me show us what I did today. So I usually start around here, but usually today I came to the charts when price had moved to somewhere here. So what I then decided to do was to go to the 15 minutes, and then on the 15 minutes, that particular trade, let's see what the 15 minutes looks like. If it's going to come up now. Okay, I think I'm having some sort of delay on my system, so let's just continue on this. Okay, so this is the 15 minutes. So I entered the trade somewhere here, but I got stopped out down there. Okay, but I did not enter any other trade on this particular pair. Okay, so what we had, if it had worked out, if I was at the desk when this happened, so this was a push down, and this low here was lower than this low, so my trend change happened here. So this will have been a very good place to enter for a buy, and this will have given me a nice profit. Okay, but I missed that, so that's fine. Okay, so when that happened, what I then did next was to go to, I was also watching the gold pair, and when gold came up on the 5 minutes now, so let's see what gold showed me. Okay, so on gold, gold was going in between here, that way, like that. So it broke this valid range. So this was the high. Okay, it broke this valid range right here. So I got to the chart somewhere around here. I actually had a pending order somewhere here and here. So, but price did not come to that level. So once it just went down, I missed that entry. So, and I did not want to chase any trade, so I left it, knowing that price will probably come back again. So once it got to this level, if you watch your 4-hour chart, somewhere here, I think somewhere here in this zone here was the last, not the 4-hour, the daily, I believe. Anyway, so this was a low. It was at a low on that 4-hour chart. Let me see if I can show us. I'm having some delay on this particular pair right now, so I'm wondering why. Let me see if I can just show us what happened, why I took an entry somewhere here. Okay, All right, so if you watch this, look at this, look at the low of this candle. So I came in when it was somewhere at the top there. So price came in here. So this, look at this low, also look at this low. If you watch gold very well, usually once it gets to a previous low, there is every tendency that it's likely to push up once it gets to that low. All right, so what I then did was to look at this pair and then say that since, okay, so that is the low there, that's the initial 4-hour low, and this is the next 4-hour low, the one before it. Okay, somewhere here. So once we got in here, I entered, once I saw this nice doji, I entered a trade there. Okay, and then once it moved very well, I entered two entries here, 2.5%, and then once it moved here and then it pulled back, I had some other entries here. In fact, I had a lot of entries here. In total, I had 17 trades between here and here, and then so I then moved. So my target was I think it was somewhere here. Let me see. So if I can move this a bit now. Yes, so this was my target here. My target was right here. Okay, so and so once it got in here, this was, it just took, or rather, sorry, it was just above here. This was where my initial target was. So once it got in here, I just, so this, on this push, either on this push or on this push, I don't remember which one is which now. I had my entries, take profit was triggered, and at that point I was up like 40% or so. So remember, initially I was down 15%. Okay, and then with these trades that I placed here, it then brought me all the way back up to 40% of the account. Initial, my original target, my daily target is 20%. Okay, to make 20% per day, and then if we can make 20% consistently, that would be great. But since I made 40%, I just thought, okay, I'm closing all the trades. So, and that was what I did. I closed all the trades, and thankfully price moved according to expectation. But if you look at it as well, just see there was a trend change there, pullback, an entry there, another pullback. It did not close, it did not come all the way, this price did not come out and break this low here, because I had my stop loss somewhere down there. So I was just waiting for it to push up, and it did that. So that's what we're going to do continually for the next 41 days. Let's see how far we can go, and hopefully I'll give us the surprise at the end of the 41 days. So have a good trading day. Okay, so in addition to what we just did now, I just wanted to show us the trade setups that I had. So this was the pound Aussie. I had my entry here, and I had another entry down there. My stop loss was somewhere here. Yeah, it was somewhere here. So that was so the trade, I was expecting price to push up, then pull back down. Okay, since it had since we had change of trend on 15 minutes right here, this was my stop loss down here. So it went all the way down, and then I had I just remembered now that I had an entry here for price to see if price was going to continue going downwards, but that did not happen. So I just closed it for a small loss. And then the gold trade, let's just see the gold trade that I took on 15 minutes. So you see what I was talking about. So I had the initial trade down here, and then as soon as we got this break here, I just entered. As soon as I got this, as I was getting this bullish engulfing candle, I had an entry here, and then of course once I had a TC, I had more entries there, and then I think one more entry or somewhere there. But all in all, it was 17 trades, and then I had my take profits up there. So eventually I got my take profit was hit, and that was nice. Okay, thank you, have a good day.